For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a recent turn of events, Enforcement Directorate obtained custody of key accused Swapna Suresh and two others till August 17th. Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court sent the three accused to ED custody for further investigation. The court also directed the Economic Wing to conduct the interrogation of Swapna Suresh between 10 am to 5 pm. The special court had earlier remanded the accused to ED custody till August 11th. In a shocking revelation, during the hearing, ED stated that Swapna Suresh had disclosed her closeness with former IT Secretary M. Shivasankar. Swapna Suresh revealed her closeness with M. Shivasankar, who is the former Principal Secretary of CMO. He was fully aware that her integrity is dubious. This is leading to a situation for further questioning of Shivasankar. The counsel for ED further added that Swapna had several meetings with M. Shivasankar while seeking assistance for flood relief for Indians. It has also been revealed that when the state machinery was in UAE from October 17, 2018 to October 21, 2018, seeking assistance of the Indians there for flood relief, she had meeting with Shivasankar. It is revealed that she had considerable influence in the CMO. As skeletons tumble out in Kerala gold smuggling case, NIA arrested 4 more people accused in the case. The agency also carried out searches at 6 locations in Kerala's Malappuram and Kozhikode district. We have arrested 4 more people: Muhammad Anwar TM, Hamzat Abdus Salam aka Kunjumon, Samju TM and Hamjad Ali after their roles in conspiracy and pursuant smuggling of gold through diplomatic baggage addressed to the UAE consulate in Thiruvananthapuram. The NIA spokesperson said that the arrests were made based on revelations made by the accused during interrogation. The accused had provided funds to the procurement of smuggled gold from UAE, which was allegedly smuggled to Kerala via diplomatic channels. Their names had come up during the interrogation of other accused. NIA has so far arrested around 20 people involved in the Kerala gold smuggling case. The NIA team is currently in UAE to probe the further links in the case. On the other hand, opposition parties are also escalating their attack on Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan.
As per the procedure, the consulate has to apply with the State Protocol Office to get diplomatic immunity for their baggage. Only after getting permission, the immunity becomes applicable and consignments could be brought in. The government needs to publicize all records related to granting of permission.
Over 30 kg gold worth Rs 15 crore was seized in Thiruvananthapuram International Airport on July 5th. The airport authorities seized the gold in a consignment which was meant for the consulate of UAE. The Customs Department opened the consignment bag after it received a tip-off about gold smuggling through the diplomatic channels. Swapna Suresh, who is the main accused in the 30 kg gold scandal, was arrested along with Sandeep Nair by the NIA in Bengaluru. Multiple agencies including NIA, Customs and Enforcement Directorate are probing the case of smuggling of gold worth